Today, we're digging into the true state of U.S. manufacturing, a sector often written off with the tired claim that America doesn't make anything anymore. That narrative simply doesn't match the reality of the situation. While growth in manufacturing has moderated in recent years, U.S. manufacturing continues to be a pillar of economic strength and innovation. Manufacturing in America did not die. It simply evolved. It's leaner, smarter, higher tech, and more essential to our future than ever before. I have 3 charts to share that will help put today's manufacturing landscape into perspective. One of the biggest drivers behind this myth that U.S. manufacturing is in decline is this shrinking share of manufacturing jobs. You see, back in the early 1940s, nearly 39% of American workers were employed in manufacturing. Today, that figure has fallen to just 8%. So at first glance, it may look like the sector has collapsed, but that's a misread of the data. Over that same period, U.S. manufacturing output has surged more than 12-fold. The real story isn't about the decline, it's about the extraordinary gains in the productivity. You see, America is making more than ever, just with fewer workers, thanks to advances in technology, automation, and efficiency. 15 years ago, China overtook the United States as the world's largest manufacturer, a symbolic shift that fueled this belief that America no longer makes anything. But that perception doesn't match the facts. The U.S. remains the world's second largest manufacturer, and it's not even close. In 2024 alone, U.S. manufacturing output was so substantial that you need to combine the next 3 countries, Japan, Germany, and South Korea, in order to match it. Far from being hollowed out, America's industrial base remains one of the most powerful and most productive in the entire world. It's true that some low-cost industries like toys and apparel have shifted offshore, but the U.S. didn't exit manufacturing. It simply moved up in the value chain. Today, the U.S. excels in high-tech, high-skill production, specializing in complex goods such as aircraft, semiconductors, biotech, defense systems, and advanced industrial equipment. When it comes to manufacturing productivity, the U.S. ranks among the global elite. American factories benefit from advanced automation, cutting-edge software, lean operational models, and a deeply integrated innovation ecosystem. So while nations like Germany, South Korea, and the U.K. also perform strongly, much of the developing world remains dependent on low-cost labor rather than efficiency. Consider China. In 2023, real manufacturing output per worker was just $22,410, compared to the U.S., where the average was $143,394. That means that the average American manufacturing worker produced over 6 times more than their Chinese counterpart. In short, the U.S. isn't just competitive, it is dominant in high-value manufacturing. I'd like to thank our friends over at First Trust Advisors LP with putting together this information for us to share with you. I'm Ron Sneller, registered financial consultant and certified financial fiduciary. I really appreciate taking the time to watch this video. I hope that it was helpful and informative, and we'll see you on the next video.